Hi, I'm Dr. Vaidehi, a practicing dermatologist from Mumbai. I've been practicing for 7 years. Since childhood, we've been told that protein is an important macronutrient for your body. It is important in a variety of bodily functions like building and repairing of muscles. It curbs hunger, it stabilizes your blood sugar, but it is also essential in the health of your skin, hair, and nails. If you used to have glowing, plump skin in the past, which has suddenly become dry and flaky, it could be a sign of protein deficiency. Apart from hair fall, protein deficiency can make your hair dry, brittle, it can slow down the rate of your hair growth. It can also cause fading of your natural hair color to a certain extent. Your nails may become dry and brittle in protein deficiency. In today's era, where severe deficiencies are rare, low protein intake can also cause a lot of issues because it causes changes in your body over time. Make sure that you're eating enough protein, which is 0.8 per kg of your body weight every day in your diet. Eggs and non-vegetarian food are great sources of protein. If you're vegetarian, legumes, pulses, paneer, tofu, and soya are great options. You can also take protein supplements. You can check out the range on HyugaLife.com.